How to change quality on Amazon Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on our channel. And if you're trying to change the quality of your Amazon Prime Video, then make sure you watch this video because I'm exactly going to show you how you can. Now there is no option to change the quality if you're using your mobile devices. For that you need to open up your web browsers, and you can only do it within the website of Prime Video. So open up any web browser of your choice and then just search for primevideo.com and then just log into your account. Once you have been logged in, select any video that you want to change the quality of. Once the video starts playing, you will see a couple of options on the top. You just click on this gear icon, which is written as options. Now by default it will be automatically selected depending upon your internet connection. So if your internet connection is good, it will be defaultly selected as best. But if you want to change it to any other quality, you can easily do it by clicking on it. And after a few seconds the quality of the video will change. Now if you have a slow internet connection, you can choose between better and the good quality. These video qualities take about 1.40 GB per hour on better, and the good one takes 38 GB per hour. So you can choose your option, and by doing this your video should play without any buffer. So that was a real quick video on how to change quality on Amazon Prime Video. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to it, make sure you comment down below. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.